Here's how I look after 40 days of eating ground beef every day and how I plan to gain 20 pounds. For breakfast, it was quick oats in a bowl, 80 grams of oats, peanut butter, maple syrup, and a cup of milk. For lunch, I had my daily ground beef, 200 grams of ground beef, 2 eggs on 120 grams of rice. Later, I had squats and bench press. Coming home, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Had 290 grams of chicken thigh seasoned, massaged it, and air fryer. Lastly, I had some almonds and some milk to end the day. And that's it for day 40. See you tomorrow.